Be aware of these 5 breakfasts that can lead to heart attacks. In today's video, we will examine 5 breakfast foods that are particularly bad for your heart, including some that are frequently promoted as healthy options but really damage your arteries and include inflammation. Make sure you pay attention to this since the nutritions we discuss are essentials for feeling energized throughout the day and preventing blood sugar issues. We will look at the healthier options that give you a few key criteria to recognize whether foods are going to help or damage you. Stay tuned until the end because we have covered this topic in detail to help you fight heart disease naturally. And remember to click the thumbs up and subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest videos. We will also reveal the daily staple to protect your eyes and skin as well as breakfast food that improves your ability to absorb vitamins. First up is orange juice, a traditional breakfast beverage that provides vitamin C. The issue is that juice overloads your system with sugar, causing condition known as glycation. Glycation makes blood vessels stiff and less elastic, which leads to inflammations and raises the risk of heart attack. Can you estimate how many oranges a glass of juice contains? A 240 milliliter glass of fresh orange juice requires 3 or more oranges, which equates to at least 6 teaspoons of sugar, which is terrible for your blood sugar levels. Proceeds orange juice is even worse because it has been pasteurized, heated, and more sugar added. But aren't whole oranges also full of sugar? This is where nature demonstrates its genius. So when you eat an orange, you get natural sugar as well as fiber, which slow down the absorptions of sugar and causes a gradual release into the bloodstream, providing longer-lasting energy free of glycation. Skip the orange juice and opt for the actual thing with the foods we will mention in a comment because this fiber also nourishes the healthy bacteria in your stomach that aid in immunity and digestion. Next, we eat toast, particularly white bread toast. Have you ever observed that you get hungry again right away after eating toast? This is due to the fact that bread can act as a hunger stimulant because it contains fast digestible carbs. Increased blood sugar is similar to drinking orange juice. Even whole wheat bread can quickly elevate blood sugar levels, which will harm blood vessels just like orange juice. You may have heard of leaky gut syndrome. It's a serious condition where toxin pass through the gut lining and into the blood, causing inflammations and a host of related problems like food sensitivities, autoimmune diseases, chronic fatigue, and cardiovascular damage. Normally, the gut lining serves as a barrier to keep out harmful toxins while also allowing beneficial nutrients to be absorbed. As you might have suspected, toast is not the best way to start the day because it contains gluten, which is the primary cause of leaky gut. The same is true for other carb-loaded breakfast foods like muffins. When it comes to obesity, diabetes, and heart disease, traditionals, nutritionals, and wise have a lot to answer for. One of the worst ideas was telling people to eat highly processed breakfast cereal every day. High-sugar cereals are a terrible idea for obvious reasons because they are full of sugar, refined grains, and additives. We will discuss this in more detail shortly and see which breakfast foods work for you. Unfortunately, they are targeted down children and are addictive due to their sugar content, but there are other factors at play as well. According to a new FDA guideline, healthy breakfast foods should have no over 230 milligrams of sodium per serving and 2.5 grams of added sugar. Surprisingly, many of the cereals we grew up with don't meet these requirements. For example, Special K, which is often promoted as their healthiest breakfast, actually has 270 milligrams of sodium. Although we require a little amount of sodium, too much is linked to high blood pressure, which makes it difficult for the heart to pump blood effectively and raises the risk of Heart attacks. Sodium causes the human body to retain water. No matter which commercial cereal you look at, identical situations always occur because sugar, salt, and processed carbohydrates are not the kind of fuel you want to use to start your day. Then we proceed to a Sunday morning staple, pancakes, particularly packaged pancake mix. If you love pancakes, choose almond flour or coconut flour based pancakes and tap them with fresh fruits, berries, butter, or yogurt. Bring us to our worst breakfast. Pancakes are typically made from refined wheat flour, which, as we discussed, essentially acts like sugar in the body, contributing to glycation and heart disease. Additionally, most people do not just eat pancakes on their own when they are also drizzled with sugar laden syrup, which will skyrocket your blood sugar. Yogurt can be a healthy breakfast alternative, but a lot of commercial varieties are packed with added sugars, artificial flavors, and preservatives, which means you will start the day with high levels of sugar in your blood, inflammation, and glycation. As a more wholesome substitutes, choose plain Greek yogurt or other low-sugar, high-protein options. You might also want to try kefir. Kefir is similar to yogurt but also has a more fluid consistency and additional health advantages because it is full of probiotics that promote immune function and indigestion and increase the good bacteria in the body. In addition to being the building block for muscle, protein is also involved in cell signaling, gene expressions, hormone balance, and many other vital processes. By beginning your day with a protein-based breakfast, you are providing your body with the tools it needs to function at its best. The big question is precisely what should you truly look for in a healthy breakfast? Numerous studies demonstrates the beneficial effects of protein, amino acids on conditions like obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, metabolic syndromes, and even infertility. On the subject of fat, it is crucial to remember that you do not need it as long as you are eating the proper kinds of fat and in the right amounts. Protein is also great for encouraging a sensations of fullness, which helps to prevent overeating and fat accumulation. The fact is that healthy fats are your best ally for long-lasting energy, cell growth, and improving your body's capacity for nutrient absorption. Most significantly, healthy fats wouldn't cause a blood sugar surge, helping you to prevent glycation and inflammation. What particularly foods are good? Eggs are a great alternative that are loaded with the protein, minerals, and important vitamins. They provide a wealth of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart health. Among the most effective source of choline is eggs. One egg will give you about 25% of the daily recommended amount of choline, which is a crucial nutrient that causes the membranes of cells from damage caused by coronary heart disease. Since eggs contain everything required to start a new life, they are frequently referred to as the total protein because of their abundance in critical trace minerals. Another great breakfast item is avocado. Monounsaturated fats, which are abundant in avocados and have many health benefits, including promoting healthy cholesterols, preventing inflammations, protecting your eyes, and supporting healthy skin, are also excellent for enhancing your body's absorption for vitamins from other foods. That's correct. According to the 2005 study in the Journal of Nutrition, eating avocado coupled with carrots or tomatoes dramatically enhance people's absorptions of the compounds, antioxidants benefits for the heart, beta-carotene and lycopene. Another superstars are chia seeds. Perhaps you hadn't considered using such a small box. Chia seeds have a surprisingly high quantity of beneficial fat and trace minerals, and studies have shown that consuming them improves blood pressures, lowers the risk of heart disease, and strengthens bones, all significant factors as people age. These small seeds have a jelly-like consistency after an overnight soak. In addition to making them simpler to digest, this produces a specific type of soluble fiber that enhance blood sugar's regulation. And a few nuts, which are a great source of healthy fats to this omega-3 fatty acids, protein, fiber, and special plant sterols. Macadamias, almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, hazelnuts, and pecans are particularly excellent choices. Flaxseed is one that needs a little more thought because it is a powerful source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidant. That is why some cardiologists advise eating flaxseed regularly as it is a fantastic source of lignans, unique molecules which research indicates may have anti-cancer properties. Flaxseed is also the most effective plant-based source of lignans. Although it takes a little more work, it is advisable to crush flax seeds before eating them because entire flax seeds can be difficult to digest. The addition of flaxseed is ideal. Greek yogurt, which is packed with protein and probiotics that are good for your gut, goes very well with smoothies sprinkled on yogurt or soaked within milk with a dash of cocoa powder and of course, it's a powerful heart health combo. Finally, fruits and berries will top off your breakfast with a boost of vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. Hit the bell and turn on all of the alerts if you enjoy this video and think you will love that one. You wouldn't miss an opportunity that might save your life if you do so.